So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new gimbal. So recently I planned to purchase one new gimbal, although I was having one gimbal with me. This is my new gimbal, that is Zhiyun Crane 4, and that too I have purchased a combo package, and there are two main reasons. Because of these two reasons I have purchased this gimbal, and those are, first is load carrying capacity, and the second is LED light which is at the front side of this gimbal. So I use both Sony and Canon cameras, and as you guys know that Canon cameras are really heavy, and because of that reason I have purchased this gimbal, because the load carrying capacity of this gimbal is really nice. And the second reason was that it has a small LED light at the front side of this gimbal, and that is actually a quite handy thing, because whenever I'm on the go, like I'm going on morning treks or sunset treks, those kind of trekking, that time I have to carry a separate LED light with me, just so that I can focus on a subject. So this small light is quite handy, and it is not that powerful, but it can manage, right? So because of these two reasons I have purchased this gimbal. So without any further delay, let's just dive into the unboxing part of this video. So the bag quality is really nice, and it has a branding also on the top of this bag, Zhiyun, and the quality of this bag is really nice, but it is quite big as compared to that of the DJI Ronin RS3 bag. But yeah, it's really nice. Let's just open this up. So first let's just come to the accessories part. So this is the handle, slung mode you can say, and the quality of this handle is really nice. You get a foam grip over here, and it's really nice actually. Okay, yeah, and here are some cables, type C to type C, type C to multi, and mini HDMI. Each and every ports are over here. And one more thing to show is that a small reflector for the LED light, flashlight. It looks really nice. We'll keep this aside. The next thing is plate. Yeah, this is plate. See this plate. Then lens holding bracket with some thumb screws and Allen key. Then there are manuals, service card, and manuals which we hardly read, so we keep this inside. Next thing, and here is the quick release plate. See this? Let me just open and show you. It looks really nice, by the way, sturdy. So this is the tripod stand, mini tripod stand for the gimbal, and it is made up of plastic. So it's not a metal tripod stand, mini tripod stand, but the quality of this stand is really nice, by the way, and quite sturdy too. Yes, it's quite sturdy too. So we'll keep this aside. So let me show you how it looks inside the bag. So this is the gimbal. This tripod stand, mini tripod stand, was here, over here, and this, I don't know what this is, so we'll check this out later on. Keep this aside. Okay, wow, nice. So guys, here is my new gimbal. It is actually a really nice, it feels like plasticky, but it's not. It's made up of metal and it's quite heavy too. And this is the joystick, and the placement of this joystick, I really don't like it actually, because when we are trying to adjust, means like moving the joystick, that time the screen is getting covered up. See this one, the screen is getting covered up, so like I have to be a left-handed otherwise. One thing to note over here, this gimbal doesn't come with auto locking. This gimbal doesn't come with auto locking feature that was present in Ronin RS3. So yeah, that gimbal has one plus point, and that too, that gimbal is quite handy also. As compared to that, I feel this gimbal is slightly heavier side, slightly, not that much, but I can see the difference in weight with the RS3 and this one. RS3 normal gimbal, not the Pro and not the mini one, normal RS3. Here you can see ports, type C ports, two type C ports you can see over here, and this is the flashlight. And definitely I'll be creating one more video, review video and a comparison video between this gimbal and RS3, and I'll give you the pros and cons of both the gimbals once I use this gimbal. And I'll be comparing these both gimbals, that is RS3 and Crane 4, and you guys will know which one to go with if you are a particular shooters. So this was the unboxing part of this video, and here are the specifications of this gimbal, so you can pause the video and go through all the specifications. And yes, I'll also create one more video review and the comparison video of this gimbal and the RS3, so stay tuned for that one. And yes, with that said, I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and Dev Vare Guru.